As you can see, all the factory welds are gone. On the hump for the A-arm, the upper A-arms, I'm still kind of grinding that down, but as you can see, there's nothing there. All in the front, all gone. All smoothed out. On the back side, boxed in. Still got a little grinding to do right there, but it's all smoothed out. And this is where I've left off at, the back half. As you can see, I'm putting all the welds in, overbeating it. All right there. Underneath also, all this has been smoothed out. Lower A-arms. I gotta get in there and get that section. It's the tedious work that really gets what makes this project so long. And trust me, I'm real tedious about it. So I gotta finish inside there, get that back side. All right there. See where I left off at. I still have to do a little bit of grinding. Originally, I put the gusset brace on top and I liked it, but then my buddy Danny, he put his on the bottom and it was super dope. So I went ahead and did it on the bottom. As you can see, now I've got the double logo. I'm gonna cut the top one out and just keep the bottom one, just the inner logo portion of it. But you can see that's all smoothed out. I gotta take care of the bottom half now. I gotta get inside where I did the bracing. Gotta sand it down, clean it up. So that's where I'm at. Now that I got some time, I'm gonna go ahead and get in here and finish this. All right, y'all. Here's what's going on with the frame. I'm back here getting my weld on. There it is, focus. But for the most part, factory welds are gone all the way through. All the way up. Look at that. It's looking good. All that. Got all that lined up. All the way. It's just back here where I finish that tomorrow. Got The finishing touches right here. This side's done. Smooth it out. All underneath. Look at them gussets. Things look sexy. All cleaned up. Just gotta go through and hit it with 80 grit. Smooth it out a little bit, but not too smooth to where the not the welding, but the powder coating won't stick to it. Guy told me anything between 60 and 100. She ready, y'all. No welds, no factory welds. Look at that. Smooth. That's next, right there. Your boy got the Ultimate 10 diff cover. The bars that go with it, the Moser 28 spline. Let me know what you guys think what I should do, man. Change it out to Eden or leave it factory and just change the axles out. But I got the Core 3 C6 Corvette brackets ready to go. Yeah, that's next. I'm gonna start by welding the tubes up. Get a video on that coming up. Yo, the 6 God is ready. Just hose this bitch down. Had to get all the dust off and the old metal. She ready though. She ready. Look at that. YouTube, what's going on? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Wait for my buddy Dennis to come. He's got my frame on the trailer. And we're about to head out to the powder coat shop and drop this off, man. I think I got everything. Spindles, brake brackets, brake stuff, engine mount, bumpers. So, check it out. There he is right here, pulling up. Yeah, buddy. Got her hanging over.